Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how you can design a function that can update the RR interval based on the updated peak detected list. This is the continuation of the previous video, so if you haven't watched that video, the link will be in the description. So in the previous video I have shown you how you can update the peak list based on some criteria, and then we had a binary peak list. So I am going to use this binary peak list to recalculate the new RR intervals. It is fairly simple, so let's begin. So originally are saved in dictionary data, so I have to call that, and we have to call the binary peak list. So now in the binary peak list we have zeros for removed peak and 1 for peaks that were not removed. So let us suppose that we have a peak list something like this, and in the binary list we want to remove this peak as it is a sort of anomaly. So you can see here that if we add two consecutive valid peaks, it will give us 2. So we want to keep that RR interval, and then if the addition gives us 1, that means that RR interval is not valid. Similarly, for from here to here, it will give us 1, and this RR interval is not valid. So let's design the code for this. So in this way, all the peaks that are within the valid 2 peaks will be kept, or else it will be removed. So next we have to update the RR absolute difference and absolute square difference as well. So let's do that. And the standard deviation. So let's store all these values in the data dictionary. And at the end we have to return this dictionary. So in this way you can update the RR interval based on the new detected peaks. Let's run an example. So first we have to calculate the RR interval. For that, after that we have to update the detected peaks. Just to make sure that the names are the same. So now we have calculated the updated peaks. All the variables are shown here in the variable order. Now we have to update the RR interval. Here you can see all the variables. Standard deviation is almost same because we do not have any outliers or anomalies. So let's rerun this with another example. Yes, so in here we can see that we have removed some peaks. So you can see the standard deviation is improved. That's because initially the RR intervals were not accurately detected, and that was because the peak list had the entries which were not accurate. So in this way you can update your RR interval and also the absolute difference and square absolute difference and standard deviation. So this lower standard deviation suggests that we are doing it correctly, and in the next video I will show you how you can calculate the time series and measurements. So up till then, if you like this video, please hit like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.